and welcome to Mikia. My name's Michelle Edhouse, and today is a real quick video to use up the leftovers from the live stream that we just did. Many of you were asking on the live stream about dipping compared to pouring paint on and making a skin and then cutting it out and gluing it to your cabochon. I choose not to do that for two reasons. One is I am very, very bored with skins. Skins, to me, create a lack of excitement. And that's just my personal choice, my personal opinion. If you love skins, awesome. I just never get round to reusing them. So for me, dipping creates a immediate gratification kind of result. And so what do I do with stuff like this? I make cards. I like making cards, but again, I usually end up with a gigantic stash of cards before I get around to actually making the cards. So I just wanted to pop in, show you me using up the paint, because I know that somebody out there was a little bit worried that I hadn't used the paint. And come on, you can do it. There's more in there. Let's get you out. Let's just squeeze this and get some more paint out. There it is. It's always fun to look inside the cup. Have you ever looked in there? So that's another use for the dipping. You can dip right down inside your cup and get that out. Now, I'm not excited by that, so let's just I do like that though. I must say I really do like the teal kind of look that came out with. Look at this. This is a cool color. I like that. So I've just got some of that with doing that swipe, and let's just go through it. Now when I make a card out of these cardboards, I have a template which I cut round, and so I could put that template on an angle. I could put it however I want to put it, and it's fun. It's something to play with. So what do you do with your leftover paints? Do you just wash out your cups? Do you use it for something? Let me know in the comments. I like that. I do like it. How does it get any better than that? I really like this piece up here. That's quite funky too. But I just wanted to pop back in and say hi. Look at this. Just a little swipe like that created all that texture, all that yumminess. So I think I'm going to take a photo of that and perhaps make something material wise out of it. But there you go, super quick video. What else can you do with your leftovers? Let me know in the description. What do you do with your leftovers? What do you do with your skins? Yep, cabochons is a great idea, cards is a great idea, but what else do you do with your skins? And I'm more than happy for you to put links in your comments below to videos that you've done of how you use your skins, or other people that you've watched use the skins in a certain way. So I look forward to seeing all of that, and I'll be right back once this is dry in 3, 2, 1. Hello and welcome forward. Yay! How does it get any better than this? It's dry. And unfortunately I have this really bad habit of things drying the same as I left them. Unless it's been dive bombed by a bug or kicked or something. I tend to dry pretty as I expected, although as per normal, and this is to be expected for all of your paints, they do go darker. Oddly enough, when you mix pouring medium, which when wet is white and when dry is clear, they look lighter during the wet period and darker when they are dry. So this has stayed pretty much exactly as I left it. I'm still really liking the cells in this portion. And I shall bring in here the material I've made from that. I really like it, and it kind of just does this whole wavy thing. It's really cool. So this is the dry live stream painting. Yay! How does it get any better than that? Again, it dried as we left it. How cool is that? Really pleased with this. I really like it. Super grateful for all of you coming to play, helping me choose the colors, pushing me out of my comfort zone with yellow. Thank you, Douglas. Super grateful. It was lots of fun, and I really look forward to our lives twice a month. It's super fun for me. So if you want to come and join me, again, sign up on my free mailing list. That will give you 24 hours notice of when I'm going live. And secondly, the other option is to become a Patreon member, and for just $10 a month you can be on that live call like Douglas was, giving me hints and tips and comments as I go along via your words rather than your typing. You get to be in real time too, so that's really cool. And for those of you who want some extra special, we've got the $50 Patreon option, which not only gets you on those 2 live streams, but also gets you a private live stream where we get to create, just you and me, a painting which everyone else gets to see the video of the creation, but you get to guide me, you get to have your say, you get to tell me when to tip, when not to tip, what colors, what shape, what size, all those funky things. You get control, and I am your robot. Give me your commands. We get to have some fun together. That's the important part. Anyway, talking of dry results from live stream, I realized I haven't shown you the live stream from the previous one, how it dried. Look at this. Isn't it cool? I don't know whether I would have it that way or that way or that way. Can you tell I'm changing the camera, not the painting? Or that way. Now I'm in a really ungainly position, but I really like this. Let's have a zoom in, and that allows me to show you and unwind my arm at the same time. Sorry about the shadow of my hand. There we go. Zoom. This is cool. Funky dunky. So that's, if you remember, it was copper and bronze that we put in with the homemade burgundy and black. Really cool, really like it, really happy. And remember, if you remember, we flicked the silicone at it, although I wish I hadn't. I really liked what we had before that, but how does it get any better? We got this, yay! So there we have it. We have that one. Quick, avoid the next video drying. That one. And that one. Oh, and the other thing we did on the live stream was we did a cabochon. Let's see if I can get that to focus. Hello. There we go. There it is, look. It's cool. Very busy, but fun. Right, so I had fun. I hope you had fun. And jump on over to Spoonflower if you want to order some of this material. And I look forward to having more fun with you guys in the very near future. I've got challenges, Halloween, all sorts of stuff coming up. So what grand and glorious adventures can you choose today? And how much fun can you add to your life? I adore you guys, and I will see you super, super soon. Bye-bye.